Welcome students. Now we will talk about the process of investment multiplier, process or working of investment multiplier, how it works. So we take an imaginary examples. Suppose there is an economy imaginia where the marginal propensity to consume is 0.8 and government made an additional investment for the project of bullet train, the investment of rupees 1000 crore, and there the rate of MPC is 0.8. What is the meaning of this 0.8? It means the additional income will be spent on the consumption by 0.8 times. Whatever is getting will be spent on the consumption 80%. We know, being a student of economics, that one's expenditure is another's income. So when government made this investment, so it will generate an additional income in the economy by rupees 1000. So to understand the process of investment multiplier, we draw the table which looks pretty similar like the table of credit creation. Here I will write round, here I will write delta Y or change in income, increase in income you can say. Here I will write delta C or change in consumption or increase in consumption, and now I will write delta S, additional saving or leakage. In first round, what is the additional income? The investment which is made by the government on the bullet train project, that is 1000 crore. So delta Y will become at first round 1000 crore. Now delta C or change in investment. So we have imagined that MPC is 0.8. It means the 0.8 times of this additional income will be spent over the consumption. So the consumption expenditure will be 800. Now what is remains over here? 200. So that will be the leakage from the economy. This amount will be saved. In second round, this whole 800, it is the consumption expenditure for some people. So this 800 will be the income for other people, as one's expenditure is the income for another. So this 800 will be the increased in income. Then 0.8 times of this 800, it becomes 640. This will be spent over the consumption in the second round, and the remaining amount, which is 160, it will remain with the people as leakage or in part of the saving. If we take the third round, this whole amount of consumption will generate the income for economy. So it will put over here 640. Then 80% of this 640, which is 512, it remains here as consumption, and the remaining amount of 128 will be saved. This process will continue infinitely till the whole additional saving will becomes equals to the initial investment. 1000. So if we total all of these, it becomes 5000, it becomes 4000, and it becomes 1000. So as I told you that this process will continue till this whole saving will becomes equals to the initial level of investment 1000. Now if we came to know the change in income due to the initial change in investment, then we can calculate like this: delta y, we can calculate this, I will tell you in the different color. Delta y is equal to delta I into 1 upon 1 minus MPC. This is K. So delta y will be, delta I is 1000 crore, the initial investment, 1000 into 1 upon 1 minus 0.8. 0.8 is the level of MPC, which is further equal to 1000 into 5 or 5000. So 5000 will be the change in income due to the change in investment in rupees 1000. If we want to know the value of K or investment multiplier, it becomes 1 upon 1 minus MPC. So 1 upon 1 minus 0.8, which is further equal to 1 upon 0.2, which is equal to 5. So value of multiplier is 5, and the total increase in income is 5000 due to the initial increase in investment 1000. This is how multiplier affects. This is the process or working of investment multiplier, how it works, how it affects, and how it generates additional income in the economy. The value of multiplier is always greater than 1, because when we make an initial investment, it will lead to the increase in income or output multiple times. But please remember, it's a two-sided sword. If there is a decrease in the investment, the decrease in the level of income and output will be in multiples as well. So this is how the functioning or working of investment is all about. I hope you all are getting. Stay connected, stay in touch with us, and keep watching our channel. Thank you.